Dito kami kakain ng lunch today, guys. Sa Japanese restaurant, Ramen Sakura. Kita mulmul ang bunga sa loob. See you here, guys. I'm coming in. Ayun, kita mulmul. Oh, choose na mall. Walang tao kami lang. Mas mabuti. Hindi crowded. Ang lamig. Alas 12 na. Lips yet. Later. Nangadji ka mo. Nangadji.
Good?
Yeah, it's good.
Wait.
It's
It's better than the one in the beach in Bonn.
Yeah.
I think it's better, yeah. Because there are better than the one is in the hotel, yeah.
Shut up. Mamimili na ako.
Full cake rice.
Grabe ka init. Ang singot mo, abot mo sa ako mata. That is a Japanese tea. And I'm choosing the what kind of barbecue. This one. The yakitori chicken and onion leeks.
It is good.
Yeah. I know Japanese.
You want?
Yes, yeah. I like the tea of the Japan. This is the Japanese tea. I really like. When I was in Hong Kong, I usually drink this. What is your order? The gyusa?
This one?
Yeah.
8.
Gyusa. The 8 pieces.
Ah oui,
of
because we
gyusa.
share.
Okay, that's it.
That's it, right?
For
Okay.
lunch.
Oui, that's it for lunch.
Check your gyusa. Oh, in it. Oh. Come on.
I want the door.
It's not the tinidor. You use the chopstick.
I don't know.
You don't know how to use chopstick. Mine is, you can take this, the miso soup.
But cannot eat.
Pa-taste ng gyusa nila.
Ay, sorry. Ano nga yung tinidor?
Tinidor, di ka marunong. Nangyayat ng tinidor, di marunong mag-tap. Ito na ako. Chicken barbecue. Sarap. Sarap niyo. With my miso soup and my rice and you have gyusa. Guys, tikman ko na yung barbecue ng Japanese. What? This one? Wait. Agawi. Tag-inita. Sarap. Very hot. Kung masarap. Sauce ka lang masarap. Enough.
You take more, huh? After there is more.
Kainit na. Pero masarap to. Masarap. I will teach you how to use the chopstick. Hold like this thing. And
You eat the soup with chocolate?
no. For the rice, you just go like this. So,
But you can eat the soup with this. Hey. You can eat the soup with the soup.
Of course, you cannot use it for the soup is the kutsara. You press it. Like that. That's it.